This is the Redmi A1, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, you gotta connect your device to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Once the needed app is found, click on this green Install button and wait for the Caffeine application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Then all that it's left to do is to launch the Caffeine app and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will mean that as long as you do not close it and the Caffeine app stays active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.